In 1970, Chevrolet redesigned the Chevelle to give it more of that Coke bottle shape made popular by the Dodge Charger and supermodels like Patty Boyd.
Only Silvercrin shampoo contains the gentle conditioner Pure Silvercrin. No fuss, no fuzz, do what you want of your hair.
But if you're anything like me, the 1970 Chevelle is what pops into your head when someone says muscle car. Just look at it. It's as if it was meant to have Mickey Thompson E.T. drag slips on it from the factory. So maybe it doesn't have that famous cowl induction hood with the louvers that pop open when you put your foot in it, but so many other details have been captured in 16th scale. Yep, this is that new Losi mini no-prep drag car. So next to a normal 1/10 scale drag car, it definitely looks tiny. The team associated drag car here looks like a monster truck compared to the Losi. But if we compare it to a 1/10 scale touring car, it actually looks pretty close to the same scale. Here it is next to that 1969 Camaro from Losi that I got a couple years ago. But don't assume that the drag car is just a 10th scale touring car chassis with the drive shaft removed. If we get it up in the air and take a look under the hood, we'll see that this thing actually has more in common with a Losi Mini T than a 10th scale touring car. It uses the same servo, same suspension, same arms and shock towers, the same transmission and motor mount, but with no ESC because this uses one of those new brushless motor and ESC combos, which I actually prefer over an ESC receiver combo. This makes it a breeze to swap out the radio system for something better without having to install a separate ESC for the motor. It's not all perfect though. Let's talk about the battery. The Mini T and the Mini Drag Car both use these little block-looking battery doodles that really only fit this chassis and are more expensive than they need to be. Seriously, why can't you just put a normal battery tray in here and let me run whatever kind of battery I want in the thing? I mean, I guess I could, but it's not gonna fit right, and you know, at least they include a battery with the car. They even actually include batteries for the transmitter, a Spectrum branded unit that is actually pretty nice compared to the trash that they used to send with the budget spec stuff. This thing is truly ready to run. Just rip it out of the box and start doing donuts? Yeah, as far as how it drives, this is a drag car. It's definitely made to go in a straight line. It does do donuts surprisingly well, though. I'm curious to see how well of a drift car this thing would make with some drift wheels and tires and a gyro. But in this setup with slicks and skinnies, it's really only good at looking cool.
Straight line. Boy, that wind is brutal. No is the answer. Yeah, the thing weighs nothing. Yeah, okay. That answers that question. Woo!
But one drag car by itself isn't fun. You gotta have two. That's why we got
a concussion.
Now, I swear to you, hand on heart, that I ordered a blue one and a black one. But Ethan just noticed, and I can't believe it, this says
it does
that it is another blue one. So let's unbox this. Let's unbox this thing and just figure out what's in here.
See what's going on.
Maybe we're twinsies, dude. Maybe we're twinsies. Who knows? I do like the blue, but I bet the black is. It's blue, isn't it?
It's freaking blue.
Son of a... Well, whatever, dude. We're just twinsies, I guess. Oh, I left that transmitter on.
That's okay. We're used to... Oh, and it's unstrapped.
Interesting. Well, I suppose we gotta make sure it has all the bits. definitely has that. Does it have the
That
battery?
hasn't been knocked out of there.
It's got the battery in it. That's good at least. So not even a great unboxing experience. But you know, it does come with some cool stuff. It comes with some stickers. Being a Losi and being a Horizon hobby product, you know, the manual is pretty good. This is all, you know, pretty premium stuff here. For not a huge premium price. I mean, 250 bucks, 230 bucks, whatever it is. Not bad at all. Obviously, you're going to want to get a hobby grade charger. You don't want to use this little USB doodle that they put in here for you. You might as well just throw that right in the freaking trash. Anyway, we're going to put batteries in this bad boy. We're going to label the transmitters. And then we're going to... What do you think? We should probably do some launches. See who can launch better, huh?
Ooh, maybe.
Alright, ready? Yeah. Alright. Ready?
Yep.
You want to count it down?
Nope.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh! That is
I don't even know who won that.
I definitely did. I
I
think it's just because
was not watching.
I'm the one that's counting down. We need like a timing light. Alright, ready? You count it this time.
Go ahead. It's fine.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that was all you. Ready?
Yup.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that was a dead ringer. And so we went on practicing our launches to make the perfect 60 foots. Or 16th scale 60 foots. Alright, Ethan's is the one without his lights on. Until, of course, it all went haywire and we decided just to send the things around in donuts. Seriously, these things might make pretty decent drift cars. But we were having a great time playing with these things inside since it was so freaking cold outside. Should we stop now before they're real broken?
Probably.
So I am a big fan of 10 scale drag racing. I'm not any good at it, but it is a lot of fun. I like building the cars. I like going out there and ripping them. I like filming drag racing videos. It's super fun. So it'll be interesting to do it in a smaller scale. We got these, or I thought maybe we could try this because, you know, it's pretty gosh dang cold outside. Is there a way that we can do drag racing inside when it's crappy outside?
That'd be cool.
Because drag racing outside, you really need to have some pretty ideal conditions. But with these things, you need a much shorter track.
Yeah.
And you could possibly do it inside. So we're going to try and figure out how to run these things inside. And that'll be fun. I really think it's cool. There's upgrades for these that you can get. We ought to just, like, keep them the same. Like, if we modify them, try and modify them the same way.
Mm-hmm.
That way, you know, it really does come down to, you know, the cars are evenly matched. You know, that makes for some better competition. Same with, like, Mini Z racing.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. Anyway, let me know what you guys would like to see down below. Do you have any ideas on how we can make a racetrack? You know, we need at least 85 feet. That's the bare minimum.
At least, yeah, and that's just across the line. And then that's hopefully you're hitting into a bunch of pillows or something, because you probably need realistically another 132.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, you need that at least the same shutdown as you do race area.
So 16 scale drag racing, I am freaking pumped for.
I like it.
Yeah, it should be a really
who else
good
is
time.
gonna do what now?
Say what?
I said, who else is coming to the table now? Armor,
Yeah, for real.
Traxxas.
Who else is gonna make a 16 scale drag car? Let's see what that
Team
does. Maybe we can
Associated.
single-handedly change the industry right here, right now on 10 scale garage, and we can convince all these manufacturers to start building 16 scale drag racing.
We can turn that 0 into a 6 real quick.
That's right. Very true. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time checking out the channel, welcome. I'm glad you found it. We like to do RC shenanigans like this all the time. We've got some wicked stuff coming up with these bad boys. So make sure you sub up and stick around. And we'll see you real soon.
chopping freaking.
Chopping the bumpers off out here, man. Yeah.